Hey everyone, welcome to Autopy. In today's video, we are going to see how we can send messages automatically when someone submit a form into your website using AiSensy and Elementor without using a single line of code. This is a perfect automation for a lead alert, confirmation and many more. And the best part, you can do it within a minute with the help of AutoAPI. AutoAPI is a no-code platform where you can build a powerful automated workflow without writing a single line of code, helping you simplify the task, speed up the operations, and grow your business effortlessly. Now, without wasting a time, let's jump on the AutoAPI, click the new tab, search for the autoapi.com and enter.
So this is the landing page of AutoAPI where you can find multiple sections. In this section you can find we provide a list of application so you can use this application to build a powerful automated workflow. If you scroll down you got multiple templates which is ready to use to boost your businesses also. And then here you can find a pricing plan where we provide starter plan, essential plan and professional plan. If you notice, in our starter plan, we just provide 3000 tasks every month for your first signing up freely. So now let's just create the automation workflow by simply tapping on the workflow, and here you can find this is the automation dashboard where you can able to manage or monitor your workflow with respect to their filters, like on the basis of their status, tasks executed and the basis of their action also. So let's create the workflow by simply tabbing on the add workflow.
And give it a name as Elementor to WhatsApp. Yeah, save it. Now, you can see a list of trigger application is available where I'm going to select Elementor as my trigger application, new form submission as my trigger action, and add first tab. Now, the question might be arise, what is trigger? Trigger is nothing but satisfy the if condition and perform the task. In our case, if form is submitted, we have to perform the task to send automated WhatsApp messages. Now, let's set the trigger application. We have to set the webhook URL which will be provided here. We provided a set of instruction how to set a webhook URL. Here, I am going to copy this webhook URL and let me jump on my WordPress site. This is the page which I'm going to use. Let's just tap on the edit with Elementor. It will take some time. Yeah, our landing page is available. Now just scroll down and tap one of the column where you can find correct. Just close this and you can find action after submit. It's basically mean when someone submit the form, which action should be performed. So I'm going to add a webhook. Just search for the webhook and yeah. As soon as you add the webhook, you can see the webhook is arrived here. We have to paste the webhook URL here. I'm again going to copy from it and submit here. Yeah, just publish this. Okay, now we successfully set our webhook URL, which basically mean whenever we submit our data, it will be captured by our application. Now to test, we have to say the preview changes. Yeah, Before giving the data, just make sure you start capturing the sample data so that it can capture your data. This one, and I'm going to give the name. Now I'm going to add as John, John at the rate gmail.com plus the number I'm going to provide, and I want this sales invoice automation, so I'm going to demand it. I want sales invoice automation. Okay, thus submit the data. As you can see, our data is submitted successfully. Just check the data. Yeah, so it captured our data successfully. It means our trigger is application is set up successfully. Now close this and add the AiSensy as your action application. AiSensy, this one. Send. I'm going to select the send template message as my action. Add a task. And now I am going to use create a new connection. Okay, it is demanding for my API key. To catch the API key, I have to go to my AiSensy account. This is the account, and just go to the manage API key. I'm going to use this API key. Click to copy and paste here. Save it. Now you can see our connection is built up successfully. Now it is demanding some field which I'm going to use. First thing, it is going to ask me camping name. What camping name I'm going to use? So camping name is nothing but the campings the template messages or the camping you are going to use. I'm going to use this one where I set the message hi with a variable. Thank you for reaching out. We have received your request. We will begin working on your automation softly. One of our experts will be connect with you soon to ensure everything is tailored to your needs. If you have any specific preference, feel free to reply here or email us at contact@autohappy.com. Here they will be show here is the data. In this parameter they will be give the email and phone number, and this is salutation. Looking forward to helping you automate it better. Team AutoAppy. Yeah. This is the template I want to use, and this one is going to be as my camping name. So this is the camping name. Just copy here and paste here. I'm going to remove the excess space. The phone number is required, which I'm gathering from my responses, and confirm it. Username. Username going to be select from the previous. Okay. Before jumping on the next parameter, I'm going to introduce this icon. What this icon simply mean? The plus icon is simply mean as a mapping, as a mapper, which where you can use the previous data in your configuration panel column, and yeah, I'm going to add a parameter which is okay. Let me introduce what parameter should be. So when I'm go to my template, you can see there is a 1, 2, 3. I want the name as my in the first parameter, in the first variable I want the name, which will be going to be my first parameter. In the second variable I want the email, which is going to be my second parameter, and the phone number is my third, which is going to my third parameter. So how to add this parameter? We just have to map the data. Just click on the plus icon, Elementor, and the first name should be the name. Here is how I can set my first parameter. Now add the field again, going to map it from my previous node, and the second one is my email, confirm it. And the third one is my phone number. I'm going to add the parameter and phone number. Yeah, confirm it. As you can see, we set all the parameters where the variables. We simply mean the variable is going to replace with our parameter. Okay. Now, these are some details they are asking. We don't have to need to fill this up. Just submit it and test this application. As you can see, our task executed successfully. Hide and show sample data. Yeah, it means we send our message successfully. Just go for the history. Just refresh it. Okay, let's check. We got a message. Yeah, see, we got a message. Hi John, thank you for reaching out. We have received your request and we will begin our working on your automation shortly. One of our experts will be connect with you soon to ensure everything is tailored to your needs. If you have any specific preference, feel free to reply here or email us at contact@autoapp.com. Your submitted detail email john@gmail.com, and this is your phone number. Looking forward, and this is the automation work link. Yeah, correct. So as you can see, this is how we can set the automation to send WhatsApp automated messages to the person who will be submitted their data in the form without using a single line of code, but with the help of AutoAPI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And you can visit our website, which is autoapi.com, to to explore more workflows and automations, combination of automations. If you have any question or idea, drop it in the comment and we will set the automation for you. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys.